Oh, it's a nice walleye or big cat? Big cat. Oh, big cat. Easy. Don't let it break your line. Oh, big catfish. Oh, beast.
Look at this.
Yo, they're beast, bro. Oh, that's a 2-footer. Good fish.
Gracious. All right, buddy, we're gonna help you out right now.
Bunch.
Sorry, buddy.
It's hard for me to get it with the. You gotta hold it and do it. I don't know what you gotta see which way it's going. Oh no, I should hook on you. I should hook on you. It's out. Oh no! Oh my god. Wait, hold on.
Alright.
Oh, there.
I don't know what to do.
Pull it out.
I can't at the moment. I want to get him back in. Hold on.
No, wait.
Most importantly.
No, he's alright. He's a catfish. He's not gonna die. Get this thing out. Let me.
It's hooked twice, so it might take a minute.
It's okay.
Come on, big boy. Come on, big boy.
Right.
Oh my God.
Which way you wanna go?
All right. Look at it. It is nice though.
Come on, get him back in, you idiot. Oh my goodness gracious.
All right. Let me cut this out my balls.
Here. Use the thing and just pull. Give yourself some slack.
I can't see. You know I can't see, so it's a big problem here. All right, one.
Wait.
This one got a double. Oh no, all right, one came out. Yeah, it's too deep.
I'm not pulling. You can pull it. You can pull it. You can pull it. You can pull it out. Let me pull it out. Comes up the pan.
All right, well,
that was interesting, huh? That was interesting. Good catfish.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
We thought it was the big walleye,
Yeah,
don't you? Yo, these catfish will make you think it's a big walleye and just.
And we even got a musky one falling like this with a purple, so you never know what's gonna come up. Right, Josh?
You never know.
Anything can happen in Susquehanna. As you see. I mean, I almost lost
a testicle.
Yeah, I almost lost a testicle. Okay. But you know something, it's worth it.
All right.
Actually,
Let's go.